Welcome, Nathan. Can you give our viewers an overview of Robix Alternative Fuels as well as your role there?
Yeah, my name is Nathan Hansen. I'm the CEO of Robix Alternative Fuels. Robix is traded on the Canadian Securities Exchange under the symbol RZX. And we're in the oil spill recovery business. We have a technology that is developed for the purpose of picking up oil off the surface of water in case of a catastrophe. So we have a product line called a C Series, and we have a product line called a P Series. The C Series was originally invented to solve the problems of oil spill in an open ocean environment where oil is spilled not always on the calmest of waters. It's spilled in open ocean where an accident could happen by virtue of a pipeline break or a ocean environment spill. So the C Series is equipment that picks up that oil mechanically off the surface of the water.
A recent press release describes your JV with a Pemex subsidiary. Can you tell our viewers more about this?
Yes, I can. We were quite excited to present our P Series recently. In the summertime, we presented the C Series to Pemex in Mexico. And as a result of that, they asked us to solve a different kind of problem using our technology, and we were quite happy to be able to develop for them and deliver a concept model called a P Series. And the P Series is for use in production environments rather than in a catastrophe, where the production environment is one where efficiencies are important to an oil company because they have to produce oil under the current price pressure. And for us, we solved the problem for them in creating efficiencies for it.
How does this first sale affect Robix's strategy going forward?
So this first sale is huge for Robix because as I said, it is our first commercial sale. And we're basically, with the P Series, are addressing a market that we didn't even really know existed until we went to Pemex's facilities, sat down with the customer, and basically developed a product with them that really addressed a market need that they have. So the P Series is significant. What we're doing in Mexico, the product that we've developed, we think we can actually take this platform and use it in multiple production scenarios with multiple customers around the world.
Do you foresee any challenges in the construction and delivery of your first sale?
We're happy to say that we've gone through 2 of 3 phases in getting approvals for the P Series. The first phase was legal, and we have a legal corporation set up in Mexico, and under a joint venture we proposed to Pemex. They accepted the second approval process, which was a technical one, where they accepted the technical aspects of our technology, and we're now in the process of going through the budgetary allocation.
What are your company's key competitive advantages?
Our competitive advantages in the C Series are quite simply that we work in a very heavy ocean environment. We're successful in that because of the nature of the design of the C Series. The P Series is a different product line, so we're early adopters in that particular product line, and we found ourselves a very nice spot in the marketplace with oil companies because they can find efficiencies with our system.
When can investors expect Robix to be cash flow positive?
Okay, so assuming budget allocation from Pemex in the next couple of weeks, we expect Q1 2016 to be cash flow positive. This is recurring revenue. It is a multi-year leasing agreement, and so we expect the revenue will start Q1, and that's going to continue. So we're really at the cusp of real growth here for Robix. And what we're doing in Mexico is also very transferable in multiple jurisdictions with multiple customers around the world.
What are your key company milestones in the next 6 to 12 months?
We're quite excited about the next 6 to 12 months. We've gone through a development phase, and now we're going into the selling phase, or the commercialization phase. And for us to have a referral client like Pemex is very exciting because we can now see that replicating itself in other countries around the world. So we have the global reach with the exciting technology to base it on.
Thanks for taking the time for today's interview, Nathan.
Thank you very much.
Keep up to date with all of your favorite small caps. Subscribe to our free newsletter and get daily investment ideas, breakout stocks, momentum gainers, expert and analyst stock picks, and more. Smallcappower.com, investing ideas and research.